Hello, children. Today we are going to learn to give examples to show that living things depend on other living things and non living things for their basic needs. In the last class, we learned about some of the basic needs of all living things. What are those? Yes, those are sunlight, air, water, shelter, and food. All living things need these basic things to live and survive. But where do we get these things from? Let's see. This is lion. It's a wild animal. What is its food? It eats other animals like giraffe or deer. So, some animals depend on other animals for their food. All living things need air. Where do they get air from? They get air from the environment, from their surrounding. They need water. And where do they get water from? Again, from surrounding. So air and water they get from their surroundings. These two are non-living things, whereas a deer or a giraffe are living things. So all living things depend on living and non-living things for them to live. Let us look at this example. This is a plant. Plant needs sunlight, it needs air, and it needs water. It gets sunlight from sun. It gets air from the surroundings. It gets water again from surroundings. So plants need things that they get from their environment. And all these things, air, water, and sunlight, are non-living things. Are non-living things. Plants are eaten by animals like cow, deer, buffalo, right? So all living things are dependent on each other. Now what you have to do? Select any one living thing. For example, a cat. Okay? Cat needs air. Cat needs water. Cat needs food, which is it eats mice or it drinks milk. Okay? Now, the air is non-living thing. Water is non-living thing. But mice are living things. And milk is again a non-living thing, but we get milk from cow. So we get this milk from a living thing. So for cat to live, it needs non-living things and it needs living things. Make your own mind map like this, like how Didi has made, where she has taken one animal, which is cat. You can take some other animal or another living thing. Write down their needs And then what are their needs? Are they living things or they are non-living? Are they living things or non-living things? Decide and then make this mind map and submit, so that we can learn that living things are dependent on other living things and non-living things for them to live. Thank you, children.